Okay, so gold outlook, what we are looking at, and what are the levels. So we are still in a downtrend, so sentiment turns bearish. So ito yung nangyari, no? With the US and Iran war ending or having a peace agreement, nagkaroon ng gap and mabilis siyang nalusaw, no? Yung nangyari doon. Due to delays and continued bombings by Israel and Lebanon or Hezbollah. So, may ano yan, may connect yan sa US and Iran, yung dalawa na yan. So, and what we're looking at is that it is still within this downtrend channel. So, if it's still respecting this downtrend channel, we may see gold pulling back around 4,250 or 4,260. Okay? Pero I would not buy that because of the existing uh, bearish sentiment. So what I'm gonna do is that magabang ako dito. Okay? Yan yung abang ko. And I would target 4,100. Okay? So this in a 4 hour time frame, we can go to the lower time frame to be precise and to have smaller entries. Okay, this is just a position trade, and also this is um, kumbaga parang it's a guide on where are we going next week. Okay, if gold goes up above 4,326, then there might be a chance that it may go here. Okay, it's still just a chance, but we are still going to sell that. Okay? Kasi hindi pa tapos yan. Alright? We're going to sell that because we are still on a downtrend. It's a trend within a trend, no? And it's very common. So those are the levels that we are watching. And also, we are looking at a possible sell, stop, order. Okay? And ito naman ang entry natin dyan. Okay? So, lagay natin, no? Sell limit, entry 1, entry. And this is pending order. Okay? So, entry 1, sell limit. So, saan ba yan? Yan, dito tayo. Follow nyo lang yung ano natin. No? So, 4280 to 4290. Okay? 4280 to 4290. And target, yan, it's around 4,100. 4110. Yan. SL natin dyan is around 4330. Yeah, 4330. And that's a number 1. Okay? Sa inyo yung number 1. Number 2, meron tayo ditong abang ulit. Ayan. Unahin na lang muna natin itong sales lab kasi ito yung medyo mas makatotohanan. Okay? So, ang sell naman natin dyan, sell stop naman. Okay? Parang ang sell stop kasi, yan, kailangan madiretsuhan niya. Okay? So, halimbawa ito yung sell stop mo, kailangan madiretsuhan niya. Yan. Ito yung sell stop mo, ito yung TP mo, and doon yung SL mo. Yan, ganun yung sell stop. Ang kaiba naman ng ng sell limit, tulad itong unang entry natin is that going down, nag-pullback siya pataas, and then bang, sell limit. Tapos kailangan syempre mag-bounce siya pabalik. Yan, kasi nakasell ka. Otherwise, kung umakyat siya, matamaan yung SL mo, then uh, close ano ka doon, close entry ka doon. Alright? So, yun lang. For 4,097. Yan yung ano natin yan. Sell stop. 4,097. Target naman natin dyan is 4,020. SL is around SL is around 4,140. So again, this is on a higher time frame, and this is I can take this as a position trade, no? And this is just a guide for a bias. Okay, and this is what you can use in creating smaller entries, no? So kasi yung iba talaga hino-hold talaga nila pababa eh, no? So pag halimbawa 4,097 na trigger yung sell stop, ah talagang hino-hold nila hanggang all the way down. So those are just guides, okay? So if 4,097 and na-hit niya yung 4,022, ah okay na yan. Pero kung bababa pa siya, you can use trail stop for that. Okay? So always kapag ka 4,007, it's around 4,070 na, you move your stop to the positive zone or to the break-even level. Okay? So again, I would not buy this. If I'm going to buy this, there's going to be a very tight stop here. Okay? So, and I'm also gonna be targeting for 250. Okay? So, hindi tayo magtutuda moon dyan. And also, RSI is around here. Nasa neutral zone pa lang. Wala na siya sa oversold level. So, buwelo na yan. Nakabuwelo na. Okay? So, let's take a look. XAU USD 24/7 over the weekend is stable at around 4,148. So, tignan natin, DXY naman yung isa. Yan. So, si DXY, yan, pataas. No? So, coming from a downtrend channel, nag-breakout siya. May na-fake out pa nga eh. Okay? So, as long as this DXY is holding, then we continue to sell gold. Right? If it goes below 100 levels, even below 94, 93, then that's the time that we can uh, start buying gold again. Okay, so oil USD, WTI Brent is on a positive but very, very big down move na since last week due to the US and Iran peace deal agreement. Okay, so it's a very good thing, but the overall sentiment for gold is actually bearish pa rin kasi rate driven due to the strong dollar. But there's just a speculation that with all this AI and also big move from the US indices, no? So we might see some very big pullback then from the US dollar. Okay, so that's the time that we start buying gold. Okay, so for now, then we can just continue to sell gold on rallies. Okay, so that's it for our gold outlook, gold update for next week. So hopefully nakatulong. If you're interested to learn more about forex trading, you can follow us. Check the link in our bio for our community. Thanks so much. Have a great day.